Let's make roast tri-tip beef centerpiece for your party. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, and press notification. I have a piece of tri-tip beef with spices all over it already. Put it in the baking pan since I'm going to roast it. Then put it in the preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now let's prepare the wood piece for it. And all the cucumbers for the backing. After 45 minutes to 1 hour later, take the tri-tip beef out and cool it off. Don't forget to cover it with foil paper so it won't get dried. Now let's prepare the centerpiece backing. Don't forget to put the cut wire in between the woods. Because we're going to tie the cucumber into the woods with the wires. Well, I guess we can use the thin rope for it too, instead of wire. Well, it's up to you which material you're going to use it, wire or thin ropes, whatever you desire or comfortable with it. Okay, I'm finished doing one cucumber. It's secured now. Now we're going to do the second one. Fast forward, the second one is ready. Fast forward, the third one is ready. Yay! Okay, I have 6 cucumbers are secured into the wood piece now, and they are really secure and steady. We're going to prepare the tri-tip roast beef now. Slice the beef about a 1/4 inch and leave about 1/2 inch in the back. We're going to make it like a fan design. It's important to make the beef cool down first because it's easier to slice the beef. Yeah, make sure that the knife is sharp so it's easier to cut the beef. Cut it all the way down and all across the beef. Now put the tri-tip roast beef on top of the cucumbers. Then put down the slice one by one and secure it with tack to the cucumber. The tacks and the wires are gonna be covered with flowers, so don't worry about it so much. Just do the best you can to make the fan design. There you are, it's the fan design, alright? Now we're going to arrange and decorate flowers around it. Just like that, maybe in the bottom. Then arrange it on the top too. Just arrange the flowers first and then secure it with tack later on. Starts to look pretty already, huh? There you are. It looks so pretty now. Let's prepare the corn salad to go with it. There. Put the centerpiece in the middle of the table and the corn salad on the side. Let's prepare the fruit cocktail to go with it too. There, the centerpiece is finished already and it's up on the table. If you like to, you can make two centerpieces for front and back so people can see in the front and in the back the same thing too. And put all the food around it. Have a nice party.